Hey everyone, welcome back to Telugu One Fashion. So today I'm here with another interesting video. So today's video topic is all about types of bag. So which girl doesn't like bag, right? Everyone keeps different kinds of bag and they would love taking different types of bags with beautiful colors and beautiful chains around it. So today we will be seeing different kind of bags. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, here's the first bag. So this is the first bag. It's in red color. It's a really pretty bag. So I'm gonna first open it and show it to you all. So it has a cute small a tiny bag inside, and it's with a transparent covering. This bag can be used for maybe if at all we are for example I go to college, so I can use it in my college, and normal daily purpose you can use it. It's very classy. I love this bag. So this is the second bag. So it's in shade green. It's a kind of green shade, a bit of leather. Actually it's a leather. It's a very pretty color with nice chain and all. Of course this is a sling bag. Again, you can style it with any jeans or something nice. So you can use it for parties also and for casual wear as well. So this is the second one. So this is the third bag that I have here. So it's golden color, as you guys can see. It's damn good. So it has a golden chain, very classy. So this kind of bag is mainly used in parties. So this is the third bag. So this is the fourth bag. This is also a kind of sling bag, but comparatively this is a bigger one. So this is Christian Dior company. So it's one of the nicest company. So this color is damn pretty. It's peach in color. This is my favorite color. So designed with, again, okay, a gold chain, and again with the material of the bag. So it's very good. This is the fifth one. I cannot call it as a bag, but it's my favorite because it's in black. It's a glossy black. So it's a very cute pouch. So this is the sixth bag that I've got. So it's in gray color. This is also a color which I like for a daily use purpose. I think this is nice, and you can of course style it nicely. This is a wallet. Of course this is not a bag, but I think I can definitely explain about this as well. It's very cute and tiny. I love tiny stuff. So this is not a purse or something. It's a leather, you can just store these kind of cards. Isn't this nice? It's good, right? And it's made up of pure leather, like the original leather. It's not any copy. Actually I can keep money as well. So I love this, and it has such a pretty color, right? Red. So this is the seventh bag that I have here. This is quite huge than the rest. So it's in creamish, dark, light creamish, light brownish color. It's a pastel color, so I like pastel color. So this is more handy for most of the women because they can carry a lot of stuff in this. As you can see, this is quite huge. So few people carry it to office, few people maybe if they just go for shopping or anything like that. So this is the last bag that I'm gonna show you guys. So this is one of my favorite because as I told you, black is my favorite color. So anything in black, I love it. So this is my favorite bag. It's Gucci bag. So yeah, this is only used when it's maybe people use it in professional meetings or any where they go professionally, or like official types, or is also that thing, and they can also use it in office or something like that. So yeah. So yes guys, this is it for today. So these are the collections of the bag that I wanted to show you guys. So these are the types of bags. So hope you all liked the video. So, and don't forget to subscribe to Telugu One Fashion. Thank you so much.